Here I am in Barcelona, Spain, June 2023. This neighborhood is the El Born district, and you can get a visual of what the area looks like, the scenes of the place. I'm crossing the street and I'm entering La Barceloneta neighborhood. This is the neighborhood that contains the beach in Barcelona. So this is a little bit of a walk going to the beach that day. It was warm and sunny. There goes a hop on, hop off bus. Lots of people out. Hello, friendly folks. Now, there are plenty of Burger Kings in Barcelona and in Spain in general, but I haven't eaten Burger King or any of these restaurants. No offense to them. But I prefer the restaurants more on the interior. And I eat things like fedua, which is the Barcelona version of paella. Palm trees are out. So right here, this is the Olympic Port. This is an area that was built for the 1992 Olympic Games that was held in Barcelona. This marina has 75 berths for yachts. So you could definitely get your yacht game on. So this right here in the distance, that's the W Hotel. It's also known as the Sail Hotel because it's shaped like a sail. But to me, it looked like, it reminded me of an angry bird. So I used to always think it was a bird, but I'm learned that it's not. All right, so right here, this is also the Olympic Port, and there's Frank Gehry's fish. This sculpture is a sculpture of a fish. It won the Pritzker Architecture Prize in 1989. This was also in preparation for the Olympic Games. This is me walking underneath the fish. It's metallic, gold, and the colors shimmer as the sun sets. That's Casino Barcelona. Real cool there. I went in the casino one time. There were folks playing poker, and it was silent. People were focused, serious. It was interesting because right upstairs, people were going to clubs and partying. There's Pacha, nightclub and restaurant. So there's Pacha right there, the restaurant, and the club is inside. It's interesting to see people partying, making so much noise and dancing, drinking on one level. And on another level in the casino, just dead silent, folks concentrating. Yeah, so right now walking on the Promenade of Barcelona Beach. This promenade has two levels to it, one closer to the sand, lower down, and another further up, there's a walkway. Folks here chilling. As I said before, I didn't try these restaurants. I like to eat a little bit more on the interior side. I want to eat with the locals. I think it's less expensive and more flavorful. This young lady in the pants was looking at me strange, like, huh? What's that guy doing? He's out here chilling. He ain't selling nothing. He's just having a good old time. Yeah, the beach towels in Barcelona are huge. They're really cool. I picked one up. I was tempted to pick up another one, but the price was a little bit too much, I thought. I think it was like $35 or so. It was a little too much. Plus I already had one. Yeah, so now I'm going up. Look at that blue water, golden sand and blue skies. Oh my God. It just feels fantastic out there. Fun in the sun. So as I head to the upper level of the promenade, you can see the fish sculpture back there. This lady looked like she was a news reporter. And this is the section of the beach called La Barceloneta. This is the family-friendly area. They got kids could play in that rope thing. Here's another look at those very cool, huge beach blankets. See the folks getting in the water. It was it's in the Mediterranean, and the water is not very high waves. It's pretty calm, and you can stand in the water because it's an artificial beach, and the layout, it's laid with rocks, so you can just stand in the water. It's pretty interesting. When I went to Barcelona in 2022, the water was freezing cold. I went in June. When I went back in 2023, it was cold for about 5 minutes, but after that, my body got used to it, and it was okay. Yeah, it's a real nice place to chill, eat something, look out. So these vendors, they're pretty cool, but as soon as you get on the beach, people try to sell you massages, cerveza, beer, agua, water, cocoa fresh, some coconut. As soon as you get on the beach, as soon as you step on there, it could be a little bit annoying, but I've learned to like them. Seeing them around is better than being on the beach isolated without backup. A lot of people are active playing volleyball, and they also play foot volley. See right there, they're playing foot volley. So foot volley was created in Rio de Janeiro, Copacabana's beach in 1965 by Octavio Moraes. So it's like playing volleyball, but rather than using your hands, you use your feet. And rather than a beach volleyball, they were using a soccer ball. There I go. And behind me, some citizens walking, And there's a sculpture, The Wounded Shooting Star by German artist Rebecca Horn. It's a sculpture that's on the beach, like 4 cubes. Will she make it? Oh. Yeah, and there's often, every time I've been to the beach, I've seen somebody working on a sand dragon. Pretty cool sight. It's fire breathing dragon. And you got the sisters out there braiding hair on the beach. This right here is like a concrete overlooking section of the beach. I'm getting closer and closer to the W Hotel. Good place to just chill. And like right behind where these people are sitting, there are other restaurants. Now this right here is Homenatge a la Natació. It's a sculpture by Alfredo Lanz. It was made in 2004. This part of the beach is Platja de San Sebastià, and folks go crazy with the exercise in here. This was a very impressive section of the beach in Barcelona, Spain. Yeah, people are quite strong and flexible. Yeah, people practicing their gymnastics. Practicing their punches and lifts and spins. I wish there was a beach section like this in New York City. I haven't found one like this yet here in New York. They were very impressive, those two. Check out that guy on the upper right. Look at that. Man, one hand. These type of exercise will definitely keep you young. You even have a hole on the beach. looks like the woman in the pink shorts, she seemed like more experienced in training the other ladies on how to work the pole. Yeah, something I noticed with the beaches in Barcelona is they get off to a really late start. People start going to the beach maybe 2 p.m., 3 p.m., but a lot of times, like 4 p.m., the beaches get crowded. The sun sets about 6:30, 7 o'clock in the summertime. So it's a late start type of crowd. So here I am at the W Hotel. It's operated by the Marriott, and it is, I believe, 29 stories tall. When I got there, the viewing section was closed for renovation for a few months, so I didn't get to go inside. And this is me walking back from the beach.